The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us, yet we keep searching. The James Webb Space Telescope is our latest, greatest eye, built to witness the birth of galaxies. On a routine observation, Webb was aimed at a faint, distant visitor, a comet from another star system. An anomaly appeared. It was structured, deliberate. The universe, it seemed, had just sent us a message. The world was about to wake up to a new reality. We are not alone. For all our science fiction, we were suddenly face to face with the unknown. 3I, Atlas, an interstellar comet ejected from another star system, wandering the void for millennia. Only Oumuamua and Borisov came before it. Interstellar objects are rare. Everything seemed normal, until Webb's unmatched infrared vision peered through the comet's coma. What Webb found inside changed everything. The universe had delivered a message in the form of a mystery. So what did Webb see? As it focused on the comet's core, it found the expected signatures of water ice and frozen gases. But beneath that, there was something else, absorbing heat in a way that ice and rock should not. The data revealed a perfectly symmetrical geometric structure, about 700 meters long, shaped like a crystalline shard. It wasn't inert. Webb detected faint, rhythmic pulses of thermal energy, a cosmic heartbeat. This was no natural formation. It was a machine, or something very much like one. Spectroscopic analysis showed metallic elements in unknown alloys, incredibly dense and heat-resistant. The object was dark, absorbing almost all light, hidden until now. It was like finding a skyscraper inside an ancient glacier. The terrifying part: it had been deliberately placed inside the comet, using it as a shield and perhaps a fuel source. This suggested planning and technology far beyond our own. A 700-meter shard of alien technology, silently pulsing in the dark. The first shock was the object itself, the second, the comet's trajectory. 3I Atlas wasn't just passing through. Its path was being subtly altered. Tiny, controlled outgassing events acting like thruster burns. The comet was steering, on a direct intercept course with the Earth-Moon system. The news hit space agencies worldwide. The object was coming toward us. The timeline 18 months. Arrival, March 2027. This was no longer an astronomical curiosity. It was a matter of global security. Every radio telescope on Earth was retasked, listening for signals. Was this a peaceful envoy or a silent invader? The object's only communication, the steady rhythmic beat of its thermal heart. Plans were drawn up in secret. Could we intercept it? The timeline was too tight. Should we try to communicate? Or prepare a defense? The object remained silent, its intentions unknown. A cosmic chess game had begun, and we didn't know the rules. All we knew: something was moving decisively toward our world. The countdown had started. Once the trajectory was confirmed, secrecy was impossible. World leaders announced the discovery to a stunned global population. Panic, fascination, and disbelief swept the world. For the first time, humanity was united by a single fact: we are not alone. News cycles became countdowns. Every person could look up at the night sky with new wonder and fear. Experts debated the object's technology and purpose. Was it a power source, a probe, or something else? The world's governments urged calm, but public reaction was chaotic. The object remained an enigma, silent to all attempts at communication. As 3I Atlas grew closer, amateur astronomers could spot it, a faint smudge carrying a world-changing secret. The global economy faltered, uncertainty ruled. Yet something remarkable happened. Old conflicts paused, international cooperation soared. We were no longer just nations, we were Earthlings. The approaching anomaly forced us to see ourselves as one species, facing the unknown together. The world held its breath, waiting for what would come next. Today is September 20th, 2025. The visitor is still months away, but its presence looms large. We have more questions than answers. Is it a seed, a historian, or something more sinister? What we do know: this discovery, born from human curiosity, has changed everything. It's a cosmic wake-up call, A reminder that the universe is active, unpredictable, and full of wonders and dangers. Our investment in science is not a luxury, it's a necessity for survival. Whether this visitor is friend, foe, or indifferent, its approach has forced us to mature as a species. The challenges we face on Earth seem smaller against the backdrop of a potential cosmic encounter. Without a single word, this interstellar messenger has delivered the most important message. We are one people, sharing one home. The journey of 3I Atlas will define human history. We must continue to explore, to question, to look up. The universe is full of surprises, and we need to be ready.